Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 5 we can put into 1 plus 4. This one that is about identities. Number 3, I will put about 1 plus 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equals to number 2 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 tan t squared. Number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1, we change by secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one you got about number 0 because this is about the constant. This one we have secant of t squared. So I will put this one gone here and here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have 4 tan t squared. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t squared. So number 2 and number 2 combine with number 2 in here, we have number 4. And now we need to simplify. So tan t that is about sin t over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. Number 1 that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equals to arctan of s plus 1 over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.